The stock market is a crazy place, folks, and boy, oh boy, do we have some insane stories to get into today. So let's just go ahead and kick it off. Let's get right into it. The first story we're going to cover is everything money and the current controversy regarding them. Now, they do have a little bit of controversy regarding Intel, the fact that the earnings were absolutely horrible, but they refused to admit that they were wrong about it. But that's one thing. We'll get to that in another video. I'll probably release a video on that later on today or something like that. But the current controversy we need to talk about is this extremely cringe video that they just recently released earlier this morning, where they basically titled it Live Day Trading Replay, whatever in God's name that means. And so basically what happened is one of their co-hosts, who nobody really knows or even cares about, Mo, basically made a video where he tried to show everybody how to day trade. I think it was Alibaba or something like that. But again, in the title, it says live replay. But when you go to it, not only was it not live, but it was him trading from July 28th, which was last week. Like, dude, what in God's name what are you doing? But then what makes it even worse is when you actually watch the video, he literally insults his own subscribers in the video. It's like, what in God's name, dude, are you doing? Like, the entire video was just freaking cringe. As a matter of fact, we're actually going to play some clips from it. And then after that, we're actually going to go ahead and read the comments because the comments were really funny. So first, let's go ahead and play some of these clips from the video.
Yo, it's Mo. We're going to do a live day trade of Alibaba. And for those of you with a low IQ, I'm going to reiterate this a couple of times. This is a live day trade in replay because it happened in the past. So not in the present, in the past, it's a replay. So you don't need to put in the comments that, hey, it's not live. Yes, I know that. I'm probably smarter than you, so it's okay. We'll go ahead and go.
What the hell? Okay, first of all, you're probably not smarter than us, because if you actually were smarter than us, Mo, you would probably be smart enough to figure out that, if the video's not live, maybe I shouldn't put live in the title. And if it's a replay from last week, that makes it even worse. You up here uploading a video from like 4 or 5 days ago, trying to call it a live replay. No, that's not a live replay. That's just a replay. Who knows when you made that video? Like, come on, dude. Like, what the heck? If you're really good at day trading, Mo, do a live every morning in the market and show if you really know how to day trade. Taking some replay from a few days ago is just downright stupid. And the insults are just incredible. Like, this video is so freaking cringe. How do you start off the video right out the gate insulting your own subscribers? I thought you were trying to grow a YouTube channel. Like, what the... But anyway, that's what happened. So whatever. Let's actually go ahead and read the comments because the comments were so freaking funny. Okay, so first off, we got to start off with the best comment on here. This comment had me rolling on the floor laughing. So it says here, Iron Soul says, a year ago, you asked Paul what an ETF was during a live stream. You definitely aren't smarter than us. Also, no need to copy Paul with your insults. It doesn't suit you. If this really happened, this guy has no business being up there talking stocks. I'm just going to keep it real. Knowing what an ETF is like the most basic of basic. If you're a stock market guru or professional or whatever, you should easily know what all of these things are. So if that's the case, that's actually really, really funny and quite telling. Watch me as I tell you when you should have bought the stock after it's happened. Next week, I'll be telling you what lottery numbers to pick after they've been drawn. Join the Ask and Bid Nation, where we gamble money by looking for patterns on the chart while we say we're value investors. Yeah, this is actually very true. Them calling themselves value investors, but then doing this whole day trading thing is actually really ruining their brand. I don't get it. I am sorry, but I don't watch this channel because I want to learn something from Mo. I watch this because I want to learn something from Paul. Yeah, Paul's obviously the star here. No doubt about it. Like I said, I don't even know why Mo's there, to be honest, but that's just my opinion. Sometimes I think this channel is superior to other finance channels. Then I see Mo and have to rethink that. Moving on to other news, what we just witnessed today was probably one of the wildest things I have ever seen in the stock market. Maybe even more wild than the GameStop and AMC mania that we saw. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, the meme stock crazy momentum rallies are back, and it happened in the form of a stock ticker symbol HKD. The name of the company is actually AMTD Digital, and yes, this is the stepsister of Voyager Digital. No, I'm just kidding. It's not. AMTD Digital, ticker symbol HKD, has been halted several times, and the stock is going down now. But before that happened, it did rise to become the 11th largest company in the United States by market cap, which is absolutely insane. It even overtook the market cap of Walmart, McDonald's, and a bunch of other incredible blue chip companies that make a lot of money. So that just goes to show you how wild the stock market is, and further adds proof that we are 100% in a bear market rally. And clearly the meme stock retail mania momentum is back, and that's unfortunate. But let's just go ahead and get over this. So what exactly is AMT Digital? We actually need to go over that. So AMTD, first, it's important to understand that AMTD Digital ended up trading at a peak of $2,500 per share. Now, keep in mind, this stock IPO'd on July 15th. That wasn't that long ago. It's like 2 weeks ago. They IPO'd on July 15th. Get this, y'all, at $7.80 per share. And now today, they are trading at $2,500 per share. That is about a 30,000% return. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the short squeezes are back. The insanity is back. Some people on Wall Street Bets forums might even say the stock market is back. Who knows? So for those who don't know what it is, AMTD Digital is basically a Hong Kong-based fintech play, which essentially provides loans and services to startups in exchange for fees. Now, if you guys want to know why exactly the short squeeze happened, what exactly happened with this crazy mania, was it Wall Street Bets? Was it two hedge funds going at each other? What exactly happened? I did some research, and I don't know. All I know is that the stock went to the moon. It was on very low trading volume. And if you put your money in that, I don't know. Moving on to the next news, we actually have some news regarding Robinhood. So New York's regulator has fined Robinhood's crypto unit $30 million for allegedly violating anti-money laundering and cybersecurity regulations. So you've got that. More issues going on with Robinhood, which in my opinion is one of the worst companies and stocks in the stock market. Should have never went public in my opinion, but it happened. Robinhood is also laying off an astounding 23% of their entire workforce. That is absolutely insane. They just reported earnings. Their earnings were you know, it's Robinhood. What do you really expect from them? And then in other insane news, Michael Saylor, never thought I'd see this happen, is stepping down as CEO of MicroStrategy, and apparently the company is going to split its CEO and executive chairman role, which Saylor will assume. So Saylor is stepping down as CEO. They've already appointed a new CEO, and Saylor will just become the executive chairman. Remember, MicroStrategy is basically a company that just buys the dip on Bitcoin, and Saylor has lost a lot of money doing that. So very interesting stuff here. But anyway, that's your news for today. Today was absolutely insane. That's your crazy market Tuesday. Who knows what tomorrow is going to hold. But anyway, there you guys have it. That'll go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.